Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to SHECARS YouTube channel. What is ASEAN NCAP? It's the new car assessment program for Southeast Asian countries. So the latest buzz in the town is that Nissan Magnite has scored a 4-star in ASEAN NCAP rating. Let's now check out if this news is really true. The Nissan Magnite crossover started off strongly in India thanks to its very aggressive pricing. The SUV, whose origin traces back to Datsun Go Cross concept, did well to manage a respectable score of 4 stars in the ASEAN NCAP crash test. ASEAN NCAP has revealed that based on the overall score, the Nissan Magnite has achieved the 4-star rating. However, the detailed category-wise scores as well as the information regarding the variant tested are awaited. Considering that Nissan is exclusively manufacturing the Magnite in India as of now and no exports have started, it is highly likely that this is an India spec Magnite that has been crash tested. It is to be noted that the ASEAN NCAP crash test speeds are compared to that of the global NCAP. With Indian customers becoming increasingly aware of the importance of crash worthiness of the new cars, Magnite's 4-star rating comes as a significant boost to the vehicle's overall appeal. It is not an overstatement to say that Nissan's India's future hinges on the success of the Magnite, and so far the car seems to have ticked all the boxes right. The latest update is that Nissan has launched Magnite in Indonesia as well. It is not clear if the crash tested Magnite is India spec or Indonesia spec, awaiting Asian NCAP to reveal their full report on crash test. So to take a glance at the Nissan Magnite, the sub 4 meter compact crossover slots below the Kicks in Nissan India's portfolio in a segment where the competition is fierce. This hatchback started at a price of 4.99, now with an increase in price has gone to 5.49 ex-showroom, surely made prospective buyers pause and take a notice. This is reflected by the fact that the current waiting period of this vehicle has stretched to 9 months depending on the variant. The Nissan Magnite is available with a base 1.0 liter naturally aspirated 3-cylinder petrol motor which puts on 72 HP and a 96 Nm of torque. The top-end variant sports a turbocharged version of this motor which is good for 100 HP and 160 Nm of torque. While a 5-speed manual gearbox is standard across the range, the turbocharged unit can also be specified with a CVT unit. The sharp design, modern interiors, decent equipment level and a variety of powertrain combination makes the Nissan Magnite a compelling proposition for anyone in the market for a B segment car. The pricing and the latest crash test rating only enhance its appeal. The Nissan Magnite's 4-star rating in ASEAN NCAP couldn't have come at a worse time for a Kia Seltos as its popularity recently took a massive hit due to a 3-star score in global NCAP test. So we will have to wait and see for an update from ASEAN NCAP if this car tested was an Indian variant or not. Here is the update from ASEAN that was received on 30th December which excited all the customers. But for India, it is always the global NCAP who rates the car and releases the report under the category Safer Cars for India.